Cessna 604, change to runway 26 right. Traffic 4 mile final for runway 26 left to Caravan. Runway 26 right, cleared for the option. On the go, make right, close traffic.
Change to runway 26 right, runway 26 right, clear for the option, then on the go, make right, close traffic for Cessna 604. And we're clear to make the base turn?
Cessna 604, affirmative. Copwake terminal departed, Airbus 220 westbound.
604, caution on the wake, and we're making the base turn for 26 right for 604.
Southwest 2228 tower advisory.
We are ready.
Roger.
It's holding up. Looking good. Here we go. There's airspeed. Engine note's good. Positive rate.
Cessna 604, turn right crosswind as soon as able.
604, we'll go right crosswind.
South 2228, departing traffic will be turning right. They're in the pattern. Wind 1603, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 26 right, South 2228.
Cessna 604, Cox Lake Terminus departing Boeing 737 off runway 26 right, change back to runway 26 left, wind 1403, runway 26 left, cleared for the option, on the go make left close traffic, 10 mile final, runway 26 right on Airbus 321.
604, okay, we can put the departing traffic on the right, we're going to change over, you clear for the option, runway 26 left, and we'll go back to left close traffic for Cessna 604.
Sub 144 Ontario Tower, wind 1503, runway 26 right, cleared to land, traffic about a mile right base and flying through your final to the parallel runway 8772, 1082.
Okay, clear to land 26 right, 1144.
Delta 1144, traffic no factor.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll do one more, and then on the next go, we'll do over crack. And slow down. All the way, looking good. Hold up. Drive a little faster. Instruments are good. Instruments are good. Positive rate. Thing really climbs good. Alright, here we go. Looking good. There are some birds there. Watch out.
Cessna 604, caution wake turbulence, landed Airbus 321 on the parallel runway, wind 19004, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Traffic inside on the right, we'll caution on the wake turbulence, runway 26 left, clear for the option, and then after the option, we'd like a northwest departure. We'll be going over to Brackett Airport, and that's for Cessna 604.
Cessna 604, roger, and you can expect that.
604, thanks.
Delta 1144, turn right, kilo right, November, contact ground point 9 okay.
Kilo November, ground.
Point missing, altimeter 3011. 0 Alpha approaching east, landing in runway 8 left, runway 8 right. Attention all passengers, weather information, Southern California available, flight service frequencies. The IELTS is operating and monitored, the glide slope is out of service. Caution for activity, Brackett Airport, reback ultra instructions, runway assignments, 5G not observed effect, by additional contact via Yankee.